So what do I have? I have a screwdriver here, just a regular screwdriver. I hope it fits. I got 2 light bulbs. Although one is broken, I'll change both of them at the same time. One important thing to notice is that they say you have to put the light switch on the 0 position, which I'll do now. Let's start by open the hood. Yeah, you have to only do it once. Modern BMWs require you to do it twice. Yesterday I was already a bit struggling where the button is to release the hood. It's somewhere around here. It's this button actually, which you just grab. I went to the local hardware store, which is open today. Today is Sunday, and I bought me this screwdriver which fits onto the screw, which I have to dismount in order to be able to get the headlight unit out. There goes screw number 1 to remove this thing for whatever reason. Then I'll just pull out this thing. You have to turn it to the right and you can pull it out. You have to be careful that these things are in line with stop. Well, that went easier as expected, so I can't really get it out yet. Just have to try. There's a connector on this side, just a bit loose. Well, as you can see, I finally managed to remove the headlight. It was the connection here which I couldn't loosen the last time, but I tried again, and now it's I have the headlight inside. Of course I had to use both hands. I couldn't film it how I detached it, which was quite an easy operation. And now I'll go inside to change the light bulb. First of all, you have these buttons here. I won't push them back completely because it's a hell of a job to loosen them. You basically have to squeeze these things here, squeeze them together, both of them at the same time, and then this part dismounts. Then you have the headlight unit here. You have to loosen it up. Well, the booklet says I have to push it upwards first and then pull it out. But the booklet also says that on the bottom there are the 2 electrical wires. I don't know what's been happening here, but here the electrical wires are not on the bottom but on the left hand side. So I'm just like using the feel to see where this detaches. So I detach the part basically just by pulling it back. But I always do it gently, not to break, or in order not to break anything. Doesn't always work. Sometimes you just have to be rough and gently doesn't do it. But in this case it was fine. Then I'll have to pull the lamp holder outside. And then doing it all with one hand. I'm going to try it with 2 hands and then I'll just show you what I've done. Yeah, and obviously put the electric lighting back on here. Well, obviously these last steps are the easiest. First I'll have to put this one back together. Well, that slides on easily. Then reposition the headlight. Which is Let's screw the part here together again. This one goes here. And the last part goes here. Yeah, I'm doing it correctly. No idea what's the use of this part. It's fitted on exactly the same way on the other side.